Have you ever created a presentation and thought, this would make a great video, only to realize you'd have to recreate it in a video editor? That's exactly the problem we're going to solve in this lesson series. Welcome to my learning studio. I'm JeanieLou, and over the next few lessons, I'll show you how to take a simple Canva presentation and transform it into engaging video content without having to start over. Now, if you're completely new to Canva, don't worry. You don't need a design background, expensive software, or fancy equipment to follow along. Canva was designed to make content creation more accessible, and that's one of the reasons so many creators, educators, and business owners use it. Canva offers a free plan that's more than enough to get started. There are thousands of templates, graphics, photos, and design tools available right away. If you decide later that you want additional features, Canva Pro includes tools that can save time and make certain tasks easier. And if you're a teacher, student, or registered nonprofit organization, you may qualify for those premium features at no cost. For this lesson series, we'll start with a presentation. That might sound a little surprising if our goal is video, but presentations are actually one of the easiest places to organize ideas and build visual content. Think of your slides as the building blocks. We'll use text, images, graphics, and layouts to create a clear visual message. Along the way, you'll become familiar with the Canva workspace and some of the tools you'll use most often. You'll find resources on the left side of the screen, including elements, text tools, and uploads. Don't worry about memorizing everything. Canva has a lot of features, but you only need a handful of them to create professional-looking content. As your project begins to take shape, you'll also learn a few simple techniques that can make your designs cleaner and easier to manage. Things like organizing layers, grouping related elements, and building layouts that are ready for animation later. Once your slides are complete, you'll be able to preview your work, make adjustments, and export it in a variety of formats. That's useful on its own if you're creating presentations, workbooks, or handouts. But that's not where we're stopping. The real goal is to think beyond individual slides. In the next lesson, we'll move into Canva's video editor and start working with a timeline. Instead of creating one page at a time, you'll learn how to create movement, control pacing, and guide your viewer from one idea to the next. It's a different way of thinking, but once you see how it works, you'll be able to create presentations and videos from the same project, which can save a lot of time. By the end of this lesson series, you'll understand how to move from static slides to dynamic video content while keeping your workflow simple and organized. So if you're ready to get started, open Canva and let's begin with Lesson 1.